In first, welcome to the online lecture session on power plant engineering. In today's class, I will discuss some numerical. We will solve some numerical related to power plant economics. As you can see in the first question, the maximum demand on power plant station is given 100 megawatt. If the annual load factor is given 40%, 0.4. So in the question they have asked, you have to find out the total energy generated in a year. Okay. So in order to find out the energy generated in a year, we have to just multiply maximum demand into load factor into number of hours in a year. So number of hours in a year we have 365 days. Okay, one day have 24 hours. So total number of hours in a day, if you calculate, it will come 8760. Okay. So the total energy generated in a year, total energy will be maximum demand should be in kilowatt. It is given in megawatt. Remember, it is in the question, it is given in megawatt, but it should be in kilowatt. So 100 into 10 to the power 3. Then we have to multiply with the load factor, that is given 0.4, and number of hours in a year, it is 8760. Okay, if you calculate, it will be coming around 3404 into 10 to the 5 kilowatt hour. So it is very simple. So whenever you have to find out the total energy generated in a year, so simply you have to multiply the maximum demand into the load factor into the number of hours in a year. In second question, if you go through the question, a generating station has connected load. Remember, connected load is given. This connected load is given 120 megawatt, and it supplies maximum demand. Another maximum demand is given 60 megawatt, and number of units generated in a year, it is given 48 into 10 to the 7. Okay, what they have asked to calculate, we have to calculate the load factor and the demand factor of the generating station. Okay, three information is given. First is the connecting load, the another one is the maximum demand, and number of units generated in a year is given. So load factor, as you know, in my previous lecture, for load factor, if you want to calculate the load factor, you have to simply, it is a ratio of total number of units generated in a year by maximum demand into the number of hours in a year. As you can see, load factor, number of total number of unit generated, it is given 48 into 10 to the 7 and divided by maximum demand is 60 megawatt. It should be always it will be in kilowatt, and we are converting 60 megawatt into kilowatt. Then we have to multiply with the number of hours in a year, 365 into 24, it is coming 8760. So after solving you will get the answer 0.9132, this one. And maximum demand, already you know, for demand factor is calculated by, it is a ratio of maximum demand by connecting load. Maximum demand it is given 60 megawatt, 60 into 10 to the 3, and in demand factor is given 120 megawatt. So simply it is coming out 0.5. 1 by 2 is 0.5. This is the third question. Third question is, a power supply system agency supplies the following loads to different consumer, and the domestic load by demand, maximum demand ratio is given 20,000 kilowatt, and diversity factor is given 1.5 and demand factor is given 0.7, and commercial load and maximum demand ratio is given 20,000 kilowatt and diversity factor is given 1.5 and demand factor is given 0.8. Industrial load to maximum demand, it is given 50,000 kilowatt and diversity factor is given 1.2 and demand factor is given 0.9. If overall, remember, if overall the diversity factor is 1.6, we have to determine the maximum demand. Okay, maximum demand, okay, and domestic load, commercial load, industrial load, okay, 20,000 kilowatt, 20,000 kilowatt commercial load, domestic load 20,000 kilowatt and industrial load 50,000, and diversity factor 1.5, 1.4, 1.2, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and total system diversity factor is given 1.6. Okay, so in order to find out the maximum demand and the connected load of each type of consumer, so we will solve in this way. As we know, the connected load is given by, it is the ratio of maximum demand into diversity factor divided by maximum demand factor. Maximum demand into diversity factor divided by demand factor, and system diversity factor is given by sum of the maximum demand of each type of load divided by the maximum demand of the system. Okay. To find out the system diversity factor, so system diversity factor is given 0.16, and summation of above all the means in previous slide, all the loads, domestic load, commercial load, industrial load, if you calculate the sum and then divide the maximum demand of the system, you will get the maximum demand. From here you will get the maximum demand that is coming around 56250 kilowatt. Okay. And connected load of the domestic demand is given by, as you can see in the previous, maximum demand into diversity factor into divided by demand factor. Maximum demand diversity factor divided by demand factor. Okay, in the given question, okay, it is given 1.6. Okay, so from one for find out the domestic type. First we will find out for domestic type. As you can see, I am writing here again. Connecting load is given by maximum demand into diversity factor by demand factor. For domestic type, you can see in the previous, it is given the maximum demand is 20,000 and diversity factor for domestic load is given 1.5 and demand factor is given 0.7. Okay. Then it will be for domestic consumer, it will be 20,000. 20,000 is the maximum demand into diversity factor is given 1.5 and demand factor is given 0.7. Sorry, 0.7. It will come around 42857.14 kilowatt. This one. Similarly, you can find out for commercial type and industrial type. For commercial type, answer will come around 35,000 kilowatt, and for industrial type it will come around 66,666.67 kilowatt. This is the another question, which is in this question they have given a 200 megawatt power station delivers load as details below. 180 megawatt for 3 hours during a day, 100 megawatt for 6 hours during a day, and 20 megawatt for 3 hours during a day, and 5 megawatt for remaining hours during a day. So the plant is shut down for repair or maintenance work for a period of 30 days in a year. Calculate the annual load factor of the plant. Okay, simply 180 megawatt number of hours is 3, for 100 megawatt number of hours is 6, and 20 for 20 megawatt the number of hours is 3, and 5 for 5 megawatt remaining hours. So in order to find out the total annual load factor, how we will calculate the annual load factor? If you have to simply annual load factor is the ratio of total kilowatt hours supplied in a year or energy generated per annum by maximum demand into number of hours plant works. So energy generated per year is given by maximum demand into load factor and number of hours plant works. Okay, so we know that the maximum demand, as you can see, the maximum demand is 200 mega per watt. So in kilowatt it is 200 into 10 power 3 kilowatt. In one total year, number of days is 365. but our plant is shut down for repair or maintenance 30 days, so we have to subtract 365 minus 30, that is the total number of days in which the plant works. So 335 days are the days in which the plant works. So by using the energy, we have to calculate the energy generated per annum. So 180 for 3 hours and 100 megawatt 6 hours and 20 for 3 hours, and remaining how much? 3 plus 6 9 plus 3 12, and remaining hours is 12. So there the 180 into 3 plus 100 into 6 plus 20 into 3, and they have given 5 megawatt for remaining hours. How many hours left? 3 plus 6 plus 3 12. In a day we have 24 hours, so remaining is 12 hours. 5 megawatts for remaining hours. Remaining hours 12. So this is given in megawatt, so we are converting into kilowatt. So it is coming around 1260 into 10 to the 6 kilowatt hour. So that is the energy generated for in a year. It will be 1260 into 10 to the 6 into 335, not 365, 335 days. Okay, so total energy supplied in an year, it will be 1260 into 10 to the 6 into 335 days. One day have 24 hours. So if you calculate, it will coming around 422,100 into 10 to the 3 kilowatt hour. This is the total energy supplied in a year. So total energy supplied divided by maximum demand. Okay, that you can see in the maximum demand, and number of hours plant works. Number of hours plant work, it will be 335 days into 24. So the answer will be, if you calculate, it will be coming around 0.2625. Fifth question. A generating power plant works on a maximum demand of 600 megawatt, and the annual load factor being 60% and capacity factor is 30%. Find the reserve capacity. So reserve capacity is given by it is if you subtract the plant capacity by maximum demand, you will get the reserve capacity. So we have to first find out the plant capacity. Okay, because maximum demand is given. Maximum demand is given in the question, that is 600 megawatt. So first we have to calculate the plant capacity in order to find out the reserve capacity. And plant capacity is given by, it is the ratio of energy generated per annum divided by capacity factor into number of hours in a year. Energy generated per annum is equal to, as we know, maximum demand into load factor into the number of hours in a year. Maximum demand, it is given 600 megawatt, in kilowatt it will be 600 into 10 to the 3, and the load factor, it is given 60%, then it will be 0.6, and number of hours in a year 8760. If you calculate, it will be coming around this. And if you then the plant capacity factor, simply energy generated, this is the energy generated, capacity factor you know 0.6 into number of hours 8760. So we can calculate easily the plant capacity that is coming around 1200 megawatt. So reserve capacity is equal to maximum demand, plant capacity, plant capacity minus maximum demand. Plant capacity is coming around 1200 megawatt minus, and the maximum demand is given in the question 600 megawatt. So answer will be for reserve capacity, it will be 600 megawatt. This is up to for today's class. In next class we will discuss another topic. Thank you.